let's not, there's no point. I think the train station is pretty big, pretty impressive. Let's find out how it's going to be from inside. Weather is pretty hot, and somehow I did a mistake. Actually, I'm wearing my jumper because I couldn't find any place to keep my jumper. I had no other option other than just wearing it, and looks like the weather is close to 35, and I'm wearing a jumper. But anyway, so yeah, so we're just heading to the inside of the station. This is my first time actually I'm ever visiting this train station. I'm gonna take the train from Makkah to Medina. I'll do my best actually to catch most of my journey, best of my capability and the timings what I have. Pretty impressive. Look at the ceiling. I mean, like, they have for sure they have done a very good job here.
برب العزة والجلال
Wow, this is amazing. It looks like you're on the airport. It's giving you the same vibes. A lot of shops here. That's huge. So now we have to figure it out actually which way we should go and catch our train. So we have to see. We have to find our train number here. Should be under the departure. So there are a lot of shops actually here. You can buy perfume. This shop actually looks like for travelers' needs. Even the name of the traveler needs actually, I think I just repeated. I'm just trying to find some coffee shop or, you know, I heard there's a Subway there for sure, Subway sandwiches, so most likely I'm going to buy there. Costa Coffee is very famous in this region. You can see shop is the only one right now which is busy. Reef, I don't know what exactly it is, but I think looks like it's like a perfume shop. We still have one more hour. We still have 1 more hour actually to board our train. Let's check that souvenir shop. So are we allowed to take sandwiches in? Well, simply ask them. So if we buy a sandwich here, can we take it? I just want to be sure if we buy some food, are we allowed to take the food with us in the train? So on the left side, we do have our train, which we're going to take towards Medina. Boy, this terminal is pretty long. I hope our what do you call it, where we're gonna sit? Yeah, I hope our coach It's not too far because it looks like the terminal is pretty long. Pretty impressive. I wish we also have a similar kind of bullet train in Canada too. So there's a very strange thing happened to us when we arrived in our coach, and we found somebody sitting in our seat, and even though we showed our train ticket to him, he was very, actually I would say stubborn. He doesn't want to move. He was saying like, I love to sit here, so you can simply go to the next coach, which is coach number 12, and I have my ticket there, my seat there, so you can simply move over there. And I was telling him, you know, we are a family of 6, and it's not really good, you know, if one of us really going to the next coach. So anyway, he doesn't want to move, so we find some alternate seats. So be sure to arrive early to get the ticket, get the seat what exactly you booked it. So now our train journey has been begun. You can see a beautiful clock tower right over there. So one of the most important things which I must bring into your attention, that you know the trains start at times. So even though when we were putting our luggage, the train actually started moving. So be sure, you know, you manage your time and come on time, board on time, because the train actually not going to wait for you. They start the train right at the time. So right now the temperature is 31, which is pretty hot, and the speed is almost 284. I don't know how far they can go in terms of speed. I heard they're going to go all the way up to 300, but so far, oh, they jumped up actually to 296, 297. 299. So yes, 300. So they reached to 300. So the total journey time, if I'm not wrong, I think it's 2 hours 15 minutes. So the train, it's around 300 hours. 300 kilometers per hour. I really like their housing types. You can see there's a lot of construction going on there. There's a desert, and for me it's a desert. I don't know, because the place where I came from, you know, we have a lot of greenery, but here they have a desert, and in the desert they have a lot of houses. So I mean, like somewhere living in the middle in the very dry environment, and especially even though right now we are in the month of early January. So I'm just assuming, you know, when the summer, real summer gonna come, the temperature is gonna be, if I'm not wrong, maybe 40, 45, 50. I just give credit to themselves, you know, of living in this kind of hot environment. You know, it's pretty amazing. But I think these people may be used to. But yes, Arab hospitality, I personally witness, it's really amazing. People are very friendly. If you reach to them in the respectful manner, for sure they go beyond to help you out. arrived at Medina train station. It took us almost 2 hours, 15 minutes. I will say the train's ride was smooth, and there's not much views, but I really like the mountain and the desert area. I couldn't record everything, but I did my best to record some of the ones which I really like it. Surprisingly enough, I find Medina station is much busier than Makkah station. I think most likely a lot of people from different countries, they arrive Medina first, and from here they go to Makkah to perform Umrah. As you can see, a lot of them are here. They're wearing ihram, they're going to Makkah. So I think that's why Medina station is busier. So anyway, we are stepping out from the station because we have to find a taxi. It could be by Uber or private taxi.